Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back. So in this video now we will be talking about the single product. So I want you guys to click any of the product and make sure that you are inside that. And now here we are. So now what you can do is that you can work with the layout here. You can work with the content sidebar, and I want you guys to switch this to H1 because this is really necessary. And now what we have to do is to work with this. So you guys do know about this. If you need to hide anything, you can hide it. If you need anything between, beneath, or anything like that, you can do it that way as well. So let's suppose that if you need this price to the top, you can do that. And if you need it right at its place, you can do that as well. If you want to hide the rating, you can hide the ratings as well. Now we've got this display product navigation. So this is actually the product navigation right here. So this is really a pain, and I would recommend you to uncheck this and do not add that because I don't know why do people add that. So the reason for that is because you have to make sure that your website is as simple as it can be, and especially the e-commerce website, because you have to make sure that your add to cart is focused, your price is focused, and that's all. There is nothing you should be adding anything extra in there. Now we've got this image width. You can just work with the percentage right here. So you can see we've got 52% and 44% here. Now you have worked with the Elementor as well. So if you want to keep it 100%, you can do it just like that. It's working. Same like this, you can work with the summary width, and you can keep this to be 100% as well. But I'm going to be keeping it the default and this to be default as well. Now we've got this tabs. So this is right here. You can see these are the tabs. You can change this to vertical or horizontal. You can see that this is already changed to red, and the reason for that is because we have changed the accent color, the primary color in the general options. So you can just choose it to vertical, and if you choose it to vertical, you can see this is how it's working. Same like this, you can choose this to section, so that everything in one single page, just like that. So I like to keep it horizontal, just like that. It totally depends upon you. Now we've got the related products. So in the related products, you can see you can work with the count. You can work with the columns as well. So let's suppose that you need 4 column. You can add the 4 column, and now you can just add the count to be 4 over here. So if you choose 8, you will see that 8 will be shown. But since you can see inside our category, there is only these products, so that is why this is coming. But I'll be keeping this to be 4 because I don't want to just mess things here. So just like that. But AliExpress shows more products. So if you want to show more, if you think that the user will likely to buy it, definitely go for it. Okay, same like this, we have got the upsells. So you guys don't know about the upsells, that when you were adding the product, then inside there you can add any of the products you want to promote that is just not related to the category. So you can add those in the upsells, and you can show them right here. Now we have got this floating bar. This is the floating bar that you can see right here. You can just decide whether you want to show it or you want to hide it, and you can work with it. Now what I want to do, I want to change the add to cart background. Otherwise everything seems to be perfect for me, and I'm going to be keeping it just the color is perfect. So everything seems to be fine here. Now let's go ahead and let's go back to the cart. So inside this cart, you can see we've got the cross sell and we've got the distraction free cart. So if you just go ahead and you click view cart, you can see your cart is simple. Now if you click distraction free cart, you will see that this title will be gone. The menu is gone, and this is how it's looking, so that the user don't have access to anything, and the user will just make his eye contact directly to this. So you can do that, but I don't like this feature anyway. So I'm going to be unchecking this, and I'm going to be going back, and now we have the checkout. So the checkout, these fields, you guys do know about that. You go down, and now we've got the distraction free checkout. So you guys do know about the distraction free checkout as well. So let's just click over here, and if you just set that, you will see that there will be no menu and no title over here. Now this is something that I like, multi-step checkout. You can see that checkout is just like that. But if you add this multi-step checkout, and now you go ahead and you hit publish, and now if you come up here and you go to your shopping cart, and now you click proceed to checkout, now you can see that this is how it's looking. So we've got billing, we've got shipping, and then now we've got the payment info. And this is how it's looking. So the person will click next. He will be taken here. And now the person will click next here. And now here he will select the shipping and stuff like that. He can select his payment method. He can just accept, and then he can click place order. So how cool is that? Now we just want to make sure that this border is actually set to black, because that needs to be done. So we're going to be going down, and let's see the border here. So this is right here. We're going to be keeping it to be black, and that's all. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to refresh this checkout page, and now it's like that. Same like this, we're going to be doing the timeline number color to be black as well, so that this is also blacked. That's perfect. So now we are totally done. So let's just go ahead and let's move back. And now we have got the advanced styling. So this advanced styling is specifically related to the colors and stuff like that. And this button over here, that is really ugly. I know that. So we're going to be doing that. Now you go down, you can see we've got this sale. So we're going to be doing the sale thing, and we're going to be keeping it red. Okay, just like the theme color that we have been using so far. And now you go down, and the stars color is going to be right here. So let me just go ahead and let me quickly just add a review to the product as well, so that you can actually see the products by reviews as well. So now for the review, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly buy something. Now I have got this. I'm going to buy this as well. And I am going to buy this, and that's all. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hit checkout. Next. Next. And just select it to be direct bank transfer, and just accept the terms and conditions and hit place order. So this is right here, the order has been placed, and now I will just ship it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go to the dashboard here, and I'm going to just go to the orders here, and I'm going to make this order to be completed. So now you can see that we have purchased some of the products over here. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to open those products that we have purchased. So we have purchased this product. So we have purchased this product, and this product. And we have to basically click view product here, click view product here, and click view product here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write a review. I'm going to add the rating, best. I'm going to hit submit. I'm going to add 4 stars, best. I'm going to hit submit. And this one to be 3 star. Great. And I'm going to hit submit. So now you can see that this is right here, the verified owner, because I have purchased this. And now let's go ahead and let's basically refresh this page. So I have to basically publish everything that I've done. And now let's go ahead and let's just refresh. So now I'm going to move back to the shop page. And here we are. So you can see now, since we are sorting by the popularity, this means that the most popular product with the 5-star reviews is going to be coming to the top. So this is how the algorithm works behind the scenes, basically. So this is how you can see, this is how the reviewed products are working. Now let's go ahead and let's do the styling. So this is, you can see that the star color is actually set to yellow, which means this is how it's working, and it's on every page. Now we've got the product entry toolbar. So this is what we have, is known as the product entry toolbar, and you can see this is how it's looking. So we don't want to change anything over here. If you want to change any color or something like that, you can definitely do that. And you can see this off canvas is also right here. So if you are using the filter, you can do that. But since everything is working right on my needs, that is why I don't have to change anything. For the product entry, you can work with the padding. You can increase some padding just like that. So if you want to add some padding, you can definitely add that. Same goes with the image. Same goes with the border and the border radius as well. Same goes with the background color. So if you want to add that, you can add that. If you want to add a border right here, you can add that as well. And then you can add a border here as well. So you can do that. But I'm not going to be adding one. So the thing that I want to work here, I want to work here with the price that is coming. So for the price, I have to change the price color. That is going to be the same color that we have been using. And the deleted price color, which is right here. So if you go down, you can see that if someone if a product is in a sale, this is the deleted price. So what we'll do is that we will change this to black or the gray that is right here. So this is how the deleted price should look like. Now we've got the add to cart. So for the add to cart, the first thing that I want you guys to just go to this add to cart border, okay, and just change this to transparency to 0, so that this is how it should look. And now what you have to do is to go to the background color and add this color, and now keep it a little less than light, okay, and now you have to change the text color to be white. That's all. And now the card is totally okay. Same like this, you can come up here and you can add the same color, and now you will see that this is how it's looking, and you can increase it so that it's much more darker. That's all. And now I think we are totally done it. So now we've got this quick view. Now if you click over here, you can see that this loads something, and now we are in the quick view, so the user can quickly view this product. He can have a quickly short description over here, and he can even add this to the cart. So this is how it's going to look, and even he can just switch around the images. So if you want to change anything over here, you can do that. So now let's go ahead and let's work with the single product. So if you just click over here, you will be taken there. Now the off canvas sidebar, you can see that was the sidebar, the filter sidebar. So since we're not working with it, that is why we don't have to mess around with it here. So first of all, I'm going to be changing the price color. I'm going to be changing this to red, just like that. I'm going to be keeping it a little less than that. Okay, that's all. Now we have the deleted price, so we don't have to change anything else, just like that, and everything seems to be fine over here. So now let's go down, and now we've got the single product navigation. So since we are not using that product navigation, we don't have to work with that. Now we have got the add to cart. So if you need any other color, instead of this red color, you can choose that. You can change that color as well if you want to change that. And these are the stylings right here, the single product tabs, which is right here. You can change those colors as well. And the account, you can change that color as well. So if you basically go to my account, you can see that everything is changed. The color is changed because we have changed the theme color. So if you need to change anything extra, you can do that for the card as well. So if you just go ahead and you click over here, you can see that we are in the card page. Since that is empty, we cannot do anything. So we're going to be adding this product to the cart, and we're going to be hitting view cart. And now you can see it's right here. So what you can do is that you can change the head background, which is going to be this, and you can change this to this right here. And you can change the head titles to be this. So you can do anything. That's your website. So it totally depends. But I'm going to be keeping it the default because I like it that way. Same goes with the checkout. You can work with the checkout notices and titles, color, and stuff like that. So all you have to do is just click proceed to checkout and just work with it, because I don't think so if I have to explain you anything else. And now we have got the product images, and I would highly not recommend you to mess with this because the images that seems here is totally fine. If you are a graphic designer and you need the images to be for a specific width and the height, then definitely you can go with it. But I'll just keep it that way, and I'm not going to be messing up with it. So that's all. That's all with the OceanWP settings, and now we are totally done with the website. So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.